Hi, today we are going to see how to create a text box in a Google Docs. First of all, you have to go to your browser. In the search bar, you have to type docs.google.com. Then a new interface will come. After that, click on blank. Then an untitled document will open. Click on insert, then click on drawing and new. Then a drawing interface will come. Then you have to simply click on text box icon. Click and drag the mouse to shape the box to the size you want. Then release the mouse. Input what you want to appear in the text box. I am putting demo. After that, simply click on save and close. Then your text box will appear on your document. If you like this video, then give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.